Let's look at how DTX helps in BOM creation with SolidWorks plugin. First, we can create part number for new component as shown on the screen. Repeat this process for all new components of the assembly to ensure that every part is linked with unique part IDs. After creating the materials, click on Create BOM. This opens a new pop-up window displaying 3 sections: CAD structure, BOM editor, and material information. The newly created material IDs will automatically appear in the BOM view column. However, for existing part codes, you can assign materials manually by searching through the item master. To do this, select the part in BOM editor, search for the part code in the search box, then double-click to assign it. By selecting the part name in the BOM editor, the corresponding row gets highlighted in the BOM view column. For the material with product code, click the plus sign to add consumable items. Select the assembly or subassembly and add the required consumables. After adding them, assign the appropriate material to each item directly from DTX. Repeat this process for all consumables that need to be added, ensuring each one is properly linked and assigned. After assigning material and BOM completely built, give the BOM a name in the Associated BOM field. Once you enter the name, click Create BOM. The BOM will then be generated in DTX, appearing in the main BOM along with all sub-assembly hierarchy and components. Click on the BOM View command to insert the BOM table in the SolidWorks view. Once you click, 3 options are displayed: Top Level Only, Part Only, and Indented. The indented view shows all levels of the BOM, including assemblies and sub-assemblies. Part Only shows only the individual parts, excluding assemblies, while Top Level only displays only the top-level components. Click on Export BOM, which displays 3 export options: Regular BOM, Hierarchical BOM, and Flat BOM. The regular BOM exports only the top-level assemblies. The hierarchical BOM exports all levels of the BOM, including assemblies, sub-assemblies, and parts. The flat BOM exports all the components without showing the assembly structure. After an engineering change, you can modify the BOM. Here we add additional consumables. Click Create BOM again. The updated BOM will be created in DTX. Navigate to DTX and you will see that 2 versions of the BOM exist. Click on Compare to review the latest version against the older version. The differences will be highlighted in color, showing the percentage of BOM similarity, updated materials, newly added materials, and removed materials.